I'm Naminda Sahota from KDRFS Jamnagar, and I would like to tell you about my experience at ACIS Geo University. We have come here for middle level leadership program, and it was a wonderful experience. Right from the day one, when we enrolled, the welcome we received, the kind of brochures we received in our rooms, the arrangements, the SPOC, everybody was so welcoming. In fact, the whole aura was so positive that it is encouraging for us to actually go in for such like interactions and courses. The core of the course, the resource people, the content, and what it brings to us is really beautiful. Who knew one that one day we would be studying leadership the way we have in a school program. We don't have much school programs, but what we learned here would always stay very dear to us, and probably we would grow multiple folds from here. What I would like to mention especially is the kind of network we build, the kind of interaction we've had, the informal gatherings, the kind of personalities we studied, and the kind of resilience and the journeys people have shown, the way they shared with us. Those are very beautiful. There have been moments of great happiness. There have been moments of discoveries, and there have been moments of joy. I would like to get in here again and again, and I would like to express my special gratitude to each and everyone who have thought of this beautiful course, conceptualized it, conducted it, and then called us here, gave us an opportunity to be a part of it. I would like to be a part of it forever and ever. From here on, I would like to go on and choose what interests me the most, the happiness quotient, and how I bring it in my leadership. I think it is beautiful. Not only they have actually given us food for thought, they have also given us a vision for life. Thank you.